Welcome back to our channel, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting and comprehensive video lined up for all you bodybuilding enthusiasts out there. We're going to dive deep into the world of chest exercises that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, these 6 effective chest exercises will help you build a strong and sculpted chest, perfect for bodybuilding. So grab your workout gear, a water bottle, and let's get started on this fitness journey. Warm up. Before we dive into the main exercises, let's take a few minutes to warm up our chest muscles. A warm-up is crucial to prevent injuries and maximize the effectiveness of your workout. We'll start with a quick full-body warm-up to increase blood flow throughout the body. Begin with a few minutes of light jogging or jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. Follow that up with arm circles to loosen up your shoulder joints. Now, let's focus on the chest. Perform a few sets of push-ups with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower yourself down until your chest almost touches the floor, and then push back up. Keep your body in a straight line and engage your core. Perform 2-3 sets of 10-15 reps. Push-up variations. The push-up is a classic chest exercise that you can easily do at home without any equipment. It targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Let's start with the standard push-up. Place your hands shoulder-width apart and extend your legs straight behind you. Keep your body in a straight line, engage your core, and lower yourself down until your chest almost touches the floor. Then, push back up to the starting position. Focus on proper form and control throughout the movement. Aim for 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Incline push-ups. Now, let's move on to incline push-ups. For this variation, you'll need an elevated surface like a sturdy chair or a table. Place your hands on the elevated surface and your feet on the ground. Incline push-ups primarily target the upper chest and shoulders. Lower yourself down until your chest is close to the elevated surface, and then push back up. Remember to keep your body in a straight line throughout the movement. Perform 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Decline push-ups. To target the lower part of your chest, we have the decline push-up. Place your feet on an elevated surface, such as a sturdy box or a bench, and your hands on the floor. Decline push-ups are more challenging than regular push-ups, so focus on maintaining proper form. Lower yourself down until your chest is close to the floor, and then push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Dips. Now, let's target the chest and triceps with dips. For this exercise, you'll need parallel bars or sturdy furniture like 2 chairs placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Start by supporting your body weight with your arms straight, then lower yourself down by bending your elbows until they are at a 90-degree angle. Push yourself back up to the starting position. Dips can be intense, so start with assisted dips if needed. Perform 3 sets of 8-10 reps. Chest flies. Time to grab a pair of dumbbells or water bottles if you don't have weights. Lie down on a flat surface, holding the dumbbells with your arms extended out to the sides. Chest flies are excellent for isolating your chest muscles. Lower the weights slowly in a controlled manner, feeling the stretch in your chest, and then bring them back up. Focus on squeezing the chest at the top of the movement. Perform 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Plyometric push-ups. Ready to take it up a notch? Plyometric push-ups are fantastic for building explosive power and increasing muscle recruitment. To perform plyometric push-ups, start in the standard push-up position. As you push back up, explode off the floor, lifting your hands off the ground and clapping them together before landing back into the push-up position. Plyometric push-ups are intense, so start with a few reps and gradually increase as you get stronger. Aim for 3 sets of 6-8 reps. Chest press. If you have a resistance band or dumbbells, you can add chest presses to your routine for an extra challenge. Lie down on a flat surface with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Hold the resistance band handles or dumbbells with your palms facing forward and your arms bent at a 90-degree angle. Press the weight upward, extending your arms fully, and then slowly lower them back down. This exercise targets your chest and helps improve overall upper body strength. Perform 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Push-up variations with close grip. Let's switch it up a bit with close grip push-ups. Place your hands closer together, directly under your shoulders. Close grip push-ups focus more on your triceps and the inner part of your chest. Lower yourself down while keeping your elbows close to your body, and then push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Isometric chest squeeze. Isometric exercises involve holding a static position to strengthen specific muscle groups. For this isometric chest squeeze, you don't need any equipment. Stand or sit up straight and bring your palms together in front of your chest, as if you were clapping your hands. Push your palms together as hard as you can, engaging your chest muscles. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and repeat for 3 sets. Diamond push-ups. Diamond push-ups are an advanced variation that targets your triceps and the inner part of your chest. Get into the standard push-up position, but this time, place your hands close together directly under your chest, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. Lower yourself down, bringing your chest close to your hands, and then push back up. Diamond push-ups can be challenging, so start with a few reps and gradually increase the difficulty. Perform 3 sets of 8-10 reps. Wall push-ups. If you're just starting your fitness journey or looking for a low-impact exercise, wall push-ups are an excellent option. Stand facing a wall, arms length away. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height and shoulder width apart. Lean your body forward, keeping your feet flat on the ground, and then push yourself back to the starting position. Wall push-ups are perfect for building strength before progressing to more challenging exercises. Aim for 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Serratus push-ups. The serratus push-up is an excellent exercise for targeting the serratus anterior muscles, which are essential for scapular stability and a well-rounded chest. Get into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body down while protracting your shoulder blades, pushing them forward, and then retract them, pulling them back, as you push back up. Perform 3 sets of 8-10 reps. Cobra pose. Incorporate yoga into your chest workout routine with the cobra pose. Lie face down on your mat with your palms placed flat on the ground near your shoulders. Press your palms into the ground, lift your upper body, and arch your back, stretching your chest and shoulders. Hold the cobra pose for 20-30 seconds, and then slowly lower back down. Repeat for 3 sets. Cross-body push-ups. Cross-body push-ups add a rotational element to the standard push-up, engaging your chest, shoulders, and core even more. Start in the standard push-up position, and as you lower yourself down, bring one knee towards the opposite elbow. Push back up and repeat on the other side. This exercise requires coordination, so take your time to perform it correctly. Aim for 3 sets of 8-10 reps on each side. Chest stretch. After an intense workout, it's crucial to stretch your chest muscles to improve flexibility and prevent tightness. Find an open doorway or a corner of the room. Place your hands on either side of the doorway or wall at shoulder height. Step forward with one foot, gently leaning into the stretch to feel a slight stretch in your chest. Hold for 20-30 seconds on each side, and repeat for 2-3 sets. Congratulations! You've completed a full chest workout at home. Remember that building a strong and sculpted chest takes time, dedication, and consistency. Always focus on proper form and listen to your body to avoid injuries. Incorporate these 6 effective chest exercises into your weekly workout routine and combine them with other bodybuilding exercises for a well-rounded fitness regimen. Keep challenging yourself and progressively increase the intensity of your workouts as you get stronger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Feel free to comment below with any questions or let us know what other fitness topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, keep working hard, stay fit, and stay healthy.